Good morning. My name is Hélène Jawhara-Piñer. I'm a PhD in history and I'm a Sephardic cook too. First of all, I would like to thank the American Sephardi Federation for the very great idea of proposing cooking demonstration. Today I offer a recipe for Pesaj, a recipe which I call Sephardic Coco. So you will need white eggs, chocolate, orange zest, white sugar, and of course coconut. Let's go! The recipe is very easy to prepare. First of all, you have to put the coconut, as you can see, there is water here in the pan, just to heat a little the preparation. Then you add the white eggs, sugar, and the orange zest. And you have to mix all. Now you can bake them for 5 minutes. After baking for 5 minutes, just set aside. When the Sephardic coconuts are cold, you can eat the chocolate and you can add, if you want, some butter, if you want the chocolate to be more liquid. Take one coconut, put it in the chocolate, just turn a little, and then you can put it in this. So I hope you like this recipe and Pesach Sameach.